In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find long-tail keywords using Semrush. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to boost their content's visibility and tap into specific niches efficiently. Let's dive in and see how you can find those valuable long-tail keywords. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in Semrush to navigate to their website. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to sign up for an account first to access all the features. Once you're logged in, head over to the SEO dashboard. Here, locate the Keyword Research section and click on Keyword Magic Tool. This tool is a powerhouse for finding keywords that cater to your specific needs. Next, in the Keyword Magic Tool's search bar, input a broad keyword related to your topic or niche. This could be anything relevant to the area you want to target or have expertise in. For example, if your niche is healthy eating, you might start with a general keyword like healthy recipes. Once you've entered your broad keyword, it's time to apply some filters to refine your search. Look for options like search volume, keyword difficulty, word count, and question-based filters. These filters will help you zero in on keywords that are not only relevant, but also attainable in terms of competition. By narrowing down your list using these metrics, you can focus on keywords that will yield the best results with less effort. After applying these filters, Semrush will generate a list of keywords based on your input. Take a close look at these results. What you're looking for are relevant long-tail keywords. These are usually longer, more specific keyword phrases that are less competitive but still have a decent search volume. They might not generate as much traffic as broader terms, but they're often more targeted and can convert better. Another neat trick is to use the Semrush Organic Research tool to analyze your competitors' websites. Here, focus on keywords with high search volume, low difficulty, and long word counts. By examining what works for your competition, you can identify unexplored long-tail opportunities for your content. Moreover, don't forget about the Keyword Gap tool in Semrush. This feature allows you to see which keywords your competitors rank for that you don't. This insight can unveil potential long-tail keywords that your competitors are capitalizing on, providing you a chance to fill those content gaps. By diligently following these steps, you'll be well equipped to uncover long-tail keywords that can enhance your content strategy and improve your ranking on search engines. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, and you'll soon see the benefits of your efforts. That's it for today. Happy keyword hunting!